Let's work this problem on the board. It says in a double slit experiment, double slit separation is 0.52 mm. So let's draw the diagram as says, and the diagram will help you solve the problem. So draw the diagram here. It says this is the slit separation given to you as this is D, that is 0.52 mm. Okay, and the distance of the screen from the slit is 1 meter. So let me play the screen here, and this guy D is 1 meter, and in the interference pattern, the distance of n is equal to 2 dark fringe. Okay, n is equal to 2 dark fringe should be the third fringe, in fact. So let's talk about it here. The given data is for n is equal to 2 dark fringe. Dark fringe from the central bright fringe is found to be 2.5 mm. So I can say that distance is found to be 2.5 mm. Okay, I can also write this guy as 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Calculate the wavelength of the light used. So I just supposed to find out lambda is how much. Let's work with this problem. What exactly is this x given to you? So it says, if at all I have, this is the first bright fringe, this first dark fringe, next bright fringe, second dark fringe, next bright fringe, and the third dark fringe. See, we know that the formula starts from n is equal to 0, right, for any dark fringe and the bright fringe. So this is n is equal to 0, this is n is equal to 1, this is n is equal to 2, right? So this is talking about the second n is equal to, that is, this distance is given to you as 2.5 mm. Okay, that's what is given to you. You're supposed to find the wavelength. All right, how is the formula of this distance given to you? It is nothing but this. For a bright fringe, it is n d by d into lambda, and for a dark fringe, it is 2n plus 1 d by d into lambda by 2. There n starts from 0. N is an integer where n is 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so this should be for the third dark fringe from the diagram, we understand. So let's take that formula. X is equal to 2n plus 1, and I have d by small d into lambda by 2. In the whole problem, I'm supposed to look for a lambda, right? So do I know the value of x? X is given to you as 2.5 mm, and n is supposed to be 2 because it's talking about the second. N is 2 dark fringe, and capital D is given to you as 1, and small d is given to you as 0.52 mm. So it means the whole problem is given to you. The only thing you have to know is to know this formula and separate lambda from here. So let's work it out. Can I put this 2 here? Yes, 2 into x and d. All right, is equal to 2n plus 1 d into lambda. I can write n as 2, so that becomes 2x into d is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, that is 5 into d into lambda. So lambda would just become 2 into x into d divided by 5 into capital D. That's all is the answer. So who's 2? So it's 2 itself. X is the distance given to you, that is 2.5 mm. I can also write 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. All right, and small t is that distance, that is 0.52 into 10 to the power minus 3 again. The whole thing divided by, I have 5 into 1. You solve this guy, you get the answer something equal to 5200 Armstrong. That is 5200 into 10 to the power minus 10 is what you get, and I write this guy as Armstrong. That's all about it. I want you guys to simplify this. It's very simple simplification. Work on these two guys, powers of 10, multiply 2 into 2.5 into so much and divide by 5. It's a very simple calculation.